future careers are more creative than ever. Robot coaches, world builders, even memory curators. The sci-fi jobs you've only dreamed of are becoming reality. Today, we're diving into 5 exciting future careers you could start preparing for right now. And trust me, number 5 will blow your mind. Also, at the end, I'll share the skills you can start learning today to get a head start. Let's go. First up, AI ethicist. When robots and AI start making big decisions, who makes sure they're fair? That's where AI ethicists come in. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to understand people, fairness, and how tech impacts our lives. It's like being a digital referee for the future. Next, virtual world designer. Think Minecraft. But instead of games, you're building shopping malls, schools, or even music festivals inside the metaverse.
Artists, gamers, coders, this one's for you. If you love creating worlds, the future is waiting.
Robots can do a lot, but they need coaching.
A robot coach teaches them how to interact, move, and even understand human emotions.
The future is green. Climate tech innovators will design solutions that fight climate change. Smart solar panels, ocean cleaning robots, even AI that reduces pollution. This field is going to explode in the next decade, and you could be part of it. Okay, this one's wild. Memory curator. In the future, people will use AI and VR to preserve their life memories. Imagine reliving your childhood birthday in perfect detail whenever you want. It's like scrapbooking, but from the future. Experiment with AI tools now. ChatGPT, Canva AI, Runway, Midjourney. Just play. Join free online courses, Khan Academy, Coursera, or edX for coding, design, ethics. Start small projects. You build a mini world, train a chatbot, make an eco-gadget, or design digital art. Share your work online. Post on TikTok, Instagram, or GitHub. Future employers care more about projects than certificates. So, which of these would you pick? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll read them all. The future belongs to the curious, and that means you.